Hi everybody, just thought I'd show you my 5-stage reverse osmosis water filter system. Here we've got the storage tank, and in here we've got the actual filter system itself. The three large filters, and then if you look very carefully on the top there's two here as well. One of those is the chlorine filter, charcoal filter. The other one is a more in-depth filter, and then these three are other filters, and including a sort of charcoal filter in the middle. We've had this one for a few years now, and we wouldn't be without it. The tap's up here. If I just show you the tap there, there's the tap there that you use to get the water out. And we find that, well, in actual fact, when I've done the filter testing, meter testing with it, it works out between 11 and 14 parts per million. Just to let you know, our tap water is about 238 parts per million, which I consider to be quite filthy. There'll be heavy metals, pesticides, fungicides, all kinds of different things in our tap water, even if they have been chlorinated. Chlorine, of course, and there are even drug residues and all sorts of things in our tap water nowadays. So we highly recommend these 5-stage reverse osmosis systems. The filters do need replacing. The three big ones there need replacing every 6 months. The smaller one on the top is a year, and then the larger one, you can see just here, is 18 months. Now that sounds like a big job. It's not. You can easily put these in. There's just a little tiny valve that you screw into your water pipe under the sink. These are under sink models. And as I said just now, when you're changing the filters, it's not that much of a problem to change them yourself. I mean, I've been doing it and we've had this one for a few years, but it gives you and your family peace of mind that you know that you've got very, very little particulates in your water. We use it for drinking and of course cooking. If you want to go one step further and go all the way out, then I would recommend a water distiller, which we've got there, which we use for drinking. But one of these would be fine. They're quite economical to buy. They do last a long time, and they're fairly maintenance free apart from the replacing of the filters. Anybody can put one of these in. They're quite simple, and there are even YouTube videos on YouTube to show you how to put them in. So I highly recommend this 5-stage reverse osmosis water system, water filter system even. And I've left links for both UK and USA purchases underneath, and I'll also leave the same USA and UK purchases for water distillers if you wanted to go further on in. But one of these would do you perfectly fine for now. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe our little channel if you don't mind, and I wish you healthy living.